Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a simmer pot. So we're going to go ahead and pour the water into this pot. And we're gonna bring it to a boil on medium heat. This is what we'll be adding to our simmer pot today. We have some apples, some oranges, some lemons, some cinnamon, some bay leaves. I had some cranberries, some frozen cranberries, so I just threw those in there. Allspice, red peppercorn, and clove. I'm going to char the cinnamon just a tad bit before I put it into the simmer pot. Okay, now we're gonna start adding everything into the pot. So we're gonna start with our cinnamon. And then we have our apples. And we're just gonna add everything in. Then I'm just gonna splash a little bit of vanilla in. And we have our simmer pot. So at that time, you're gonna turn the heat to high, and that'll kind of make all the scents start permeating through the home quicker. So isn't that beautiful? So this is my first simmer pot for fall, and I'm gonna be maybe trying more variations of this, but this is a variation that I like. So yeah, let me know what you guys put in your simmer pots. There we go. So pretty. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.